Hi, I'm Jadine, a fifth-year medical student at New Vision University, and I serve as an IMG Unity agent. Working with IMG has really redefined how I see global health. As Unity agents, we work through service projects like providing food and clothing to the less fortunate, advocacy campaigns, and education outreach that put people at the center, which is something so important. The Unity Collective focuses on community health equity, humanitarian response, and student leadership. We don't just learn, we mobilize, amplify, and connect, thus creating such a big but positive impact. Through this partnership, New Vision students can step into global roles that bridges medicine and mission, something so amazing to be a part of. This is more than just a collaboration. It is the beginning of something extraordinary, and we're so excited to be part of something like this, and we can't wait to see what we can build together.
Hi, my name is Toyin Dairo. I'm a fifth-year medical student at New Vision University, and I am the lead administrative director for the education arm of Project IMG. So, being a part of Project IMG, I've seen firsthand just how much the organization can bring together medical students and aspiring doctors and turn them into future leaders of tomorrow. So through Project IMG, the organization aims to educate students, mobilize students from across the globe, and unite them together as one to partake in outreach programs. For example, in Georgia, we've collaborated with Tbilisi volunteers, and we've been able to give back to the Ukrainian refugees who have sought asylum here. So for the collaborative partnership between New Vision University and Project IMG, I'm really excited to see what opportunities we'll bring to students who are wanting to practice as medical doctors in the United States. Not only will Project IMG equip them with tools to elevate their skills and make them stand out amongst students who are also aspiring to practice in the USA, but will also give students at New Vision University the opportunity to volunteer and partake in outreach programs. So remember, this is more than just a collaboration. This is an opportunity for you guys to help patients across the globe, wherever you may be.
Hi, I am Arfat Manav Bhore. I am a final year medical student in Tbilisi, Georgia, and currently I am the head ambassador of Project IMG. Now through Project IMG, we aim to provide opportunities for students that would like to practice their profession in the United States of America. We do this by providing a number of opportunities such as clinical research opportunities and clinical elective opportunities for both outpatient and inpatient clinics. With this initiative, we aim to help students who are not part of the United States medical program to achieve their dreams and to get into their profession of choice. We've come up with a new collaboration with Project IMG with NVU. This collaboration is the first of many and is a stepping stone, especially for students in Georgia, especially for students in NVU, to achieve their dreams.
Hello everyone, my name is Arun Venkateshwaran. I am a medical student studying in Georgia. I am also an ambassador for Project IMG, and I'd like to tell you a few things about it. So we at Project IMG are an organization that works to improve the lives of medical students. We do this by enabling connections between you here and doctors in America and also medical students in America. We also provide you with tools and resources to make this happen. As the lead ambassador for Georgia, my role involves working with local organizations and also with universities to improve our collaborations and establish a presence here. And we'd love to have you on board, and we'd love to work with you so together we can move forward. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Tamar Kvaratskhelia, Dean of New Vision University School of Medicine. It is a great pleasure for me to announce the collaboration with Project IMG. At New Vision University, we are committed to prepare the students not only as a future doctors, but also as leaders who are ready to give the real-world impact of their work. Through the Project IMG, we are expecting that our students will get the mentorship, global collaboration, and professional development. The values of New Vision University and Project IMG is quite similar. Both of us inspire healthcare. We are honored to walk this path with the Project IMG, and we are looking forward what we'll achieve together.